Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial Jedi Master, and in this video I'm sharing with you how to set up a Litecoin wallet. The first step is to find the correct domain name. So I will tell you what this is right now. You're going to want to go ahead and go to Google for that, and you're going to type in litecoin.org, which is spelled LITECOIN, and you're gonna do .org. So click enter. You wanna triple check that you spelled it correctly. Make sure that you're connected to a HTTPS website and that it's a verified and secure account by looking at this green padlock right here. Okay, to verify that Litecoin.org is an official website, you want to go to coinmarketcap.com and search for Litecoin here. So we're going to scroll down until we see Litecoin on this list, and I see it right here. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to scroll down again, and there's two websites. The second website, if you click it, is the litecoin.org website, which is the website we're using in this video. And just so you know, the first website is litecoin.com, and this is also an official website. However, in this video, I am using litecoin.org, so I'm going to exit out of this website. The reason why I'm choosing litecoin.org is because on CoinMarketCap, if you scroll down and click social here, you'll see the Twitter account for the Litecoin project. Go ahead and click that. And what you'll notice is this is the official Litecoin project Twitter, and the website that they're promoting is litecoin.org. They have over 31,000 followers on Twitter, and they're promoting litecoin.org. The next step is to choose the correct wallet. The reason why I'm choosing not only litecoin.org, but this Litecoin Core wallet is because the Litecoin Core wallet is maintained and developed by the Litecoin Core development team. So they are the biggest supporters of the Litecoin project. So with that said, that's why I'm using the Litecoin Core wallet. On this website, litecoin.org, as you can see here in blue, this big blue button is the download for the Mac version. And if you're using another device besides the Mac, you could click other versions here. However, in this video, I'm just using a MacBook, so I'm gonna go ahead and click this blue button, which is the third step, download the wallet. So go ahead and click this blue button here. And as you can see on the bottom left side of my screen, it downloads pretty fast. And now we're on to the next step, which is to install it. And we're gonna double click this button right here. So I will click that. It's asking me to drag this app into my applications folder. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And now that you've done that, you wanna open it now. So double click this, and a pop-up says, are you sure you wanna open it? I am going to click OK, open, and voila, the Litecoin Core starts popping up. I will exit out of this, I will exit out of this, and I will come back to my presentation. So it looks like the Litecoin Core wallet is loading up, so be patient as that happens. And here it is. This is the Litecoin Core wallet. What it's doing here is it's syncing with the network, and this may take some time to do. It says estimated time here is 2 days. It may be sooner. However, in this video, I am not waiting for that to sync. So what I'm gonna do here is click hide on the bottom right side. And here's what the Litecoin Core wallet user interface looks like. In this video, I'm not gonna talk about how to send or receive, backup, protect, or update the wallet. I will save that for future videos. In this video, I just wanted to show you how to download and install it. Okay, so now that we've done that, the next step is to verify that you can open and close the wallet. So let me show you how I do that now. If you look at the top left of my screen, it says Litecoin Core. And what I'm gonna do is click that and then scroll down to Quit Litecoin Core, which is Command Q for me. I will click that and it starts to shut down. So the way you want to reopen it is go to your Finder and click on your applications and find the Litecoin Core wallet inside of it. And you're going to right click it and then click open. It's asking me if I'm sure if I want to open it. I'm going to click open and I'll exit out of this. And as you can see here, Litecoin Core is uploading up again. Okay, so there it is. Again, it's still syncing. Who knows how long it's gonna take, but as long as you leave it up and running, it is gonna sync up. I do not recommend using this wallet until it fully syncs up. However, in this video, I'm not gonna talk about the details about the wallet. I will hide this for now, and as you can see, you can send, hear, receive, and review transactions. So wait for this to sync up if you want to use it. And that actually concludes my video. If you like seeing blockchain tutorials like this, get yourself a copy of the Cryptocurrency Investing Blueprint. You can learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint, and you could get 10% off the blueprint using my promo code Denny2018. You could also follow me on Twitter at DennyLovejoy. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, give me a message on Twitter. Again, thanks for watching and have a terrific day.